Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Nespresso Citiz coffee espresso machine that is not making a full cup of coffee or espresso. Whether it's the espresso shot or the lungo shot, if it's not making a full cup, this is the video for you because I'll be going over how to fix it easily. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. So essentially, once again, if your Nespresso Citiz espresso machine like this is not making a full cup of coffee, I'll be going over how to fix it easily with 4 simple solutions, okay? So usually it's a relatively simple fix. I'm going to go from the easiest one to the most complex one, but they're all pretty easy overall. And just try and follow them in the order that I outline them in. It'll make life a little bit easier for you. And hopefully one of them is a solution. Take notes because we're going to go through these rather quickly and try them out on your own machine, and hopefully one of them works. So let's get into this video without further ado. Number 1, it's silly, but you need to check this. Is there enough water? I cannot tell you the number of times that people think the problem is with the machine itself in general, with technology products in general or products in general, but in reality it's about something that they forgot to do. Make sure there's enough water. If it's not making a full cup and you got water down to here, that's probably part of the reason why. So fill up the water tank. Make sure there's more than enough water in the water tank so that you can rule this one out. If you've ruled out that there is enough water in the water tank, you can move on to solution number 2. Which is inspect the bottom of the water tank. So what you want to do is remove the water tank over here, and you can see at the bottom that is basically what allows water to go out into the machine. What you want to do is get your finger and just press on this, and when you press on this, water should come out. As you can see right there, water is coming out, right? Water is coming out just like that, because when I press this down, it opens up the valve essentially. So you want to make sure that happens. That means the tank is fine. Then you want to inspect that little hole over there. Make sure there's no dirt, debris, or anything caught in that. If there's something caught in that, then obviously that's going to be what the problem is. If the water tank and the water tank receptacle are perfectly fine, then you can move on to number 3, which is a very simple solution, and you should always do this with anything that doesn't work. Unplug it, leave it unplugged for a couple minutes, and plug it back in. What that does is it gives it almost like a soft reset. So if there's something going on inside with regards to the technology of the product, that is likely going to solve the issue. So give that a try. And if that doesn't work, you move on to number 4, which is to do a factory reset, which is really, really easy to do. First, I'll tell you how to do the factory reset. Then I'll tell you why it's important to try this out. So essentially, to do a factory reset, you're going to want to make sure that the machine is off, okay? When the machine is off, you want to hold the lungo button for about 5 seconds until this flashes 3 times fast. Once it flashes 3 times fast, that means that it has been factory reset back to its sort of out-of-the-box settings. And then these buttons over here are just, the lights are going to flash slowly to signal that it's warming up. Once it's warmed up, the lights will be solid, and you will have basically a factory new machine with regards to anything that's been programmed into it. Now you can program the cup size. So let's say someone was fooling around with your machine and they programmed the lungo cup size to be really, really small. Every time you press lungo, okay, it's going to only put a small amount of coffee because it thinks that you have programmed it to be that short, okay? And you might not know that someone did it. So by factory resetting it, it's going to reset the stock brew sizes back to what they were out of the box, and that will rule that out as well. And that's basically it. Hopefully one of them works for you, but if your Nespresso Citiz coffee machine is not making a full cup of coffee, that's how to fix it easily. If you like this video, tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.